Easily make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. The simplest way to make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing using the power of ChatGPT. Believe it or not, it only takes 10 to 15 minutes a day. Let's get started. But first, welcome to Ash Cash Tash, your destination for all things finance and investments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Now, let's dive in. Affiliate marketplace and product selection. The first step is to choose the right affiliate products. Here's how you do it. Step 1. Registration on Impact Marketplace. In this initial step, you'll embark on your journey into the world of affiliate marketing by registering on Impact Marketplace. This global affiliate marketplace boasts a vast array of brands and products, making it an ideal platform to kickstart your affiliate marketing endeavors. To join, simply follow the link thoughtfully provided in the video description, and you'll be well on your way. Step number 2. Exploration and application for affiliate programs. As you delve deeper into your affiliate marketing venture, it's crucial to explore and select affiliate programs that resonate with your interests and align with your target audience. Impact Marketplace offers a plethora of niches to choose from, encompassing a diverse range of products and brands. Take your time to browse through these offerings and identify the ones you're enthusiastic about promoting. Once you've made your selections, proceed to apply for the respective affiliate programs. This step opens doors to exciting possibilities for partnership and collaboration. Step number 3. Acquiring your affiliate links. Upon successfully securing approval for your chosen affiliate programs, you'll gain access to a valuable asset in your affiliate marketing arsenal: your unique affiliate links. These links are the linchpin of tracking your referrals and consequently your earnings. They serve as the connection between your promotional efforts and the subsequent actions of your audience. Harness the power of these links strategically to maximize the impact of your affiliate marketing endeavors. Using ChatGPT to craft Pinterest content. Now, let's use ChatGPT to create compelling Pinterest content for your affiliate products. Step number 4. Engaging ChatGPT for content creation. Now that you've embarked on your affiliate marketing journey and have access to an array of capabilities to gather valuable insights and information that will enrich your content, inquire about the product's standout qualities, unique features, and the benefits it offers to its target audience. ChatGPT can be your knowledge partner in uncovering the most compelling aspects of your affiliate products. Step number 5. Streamlining information with ChatGPT. In this step, you'll instruct ChatGPT to take on the role of a virtual organizer. Task ChatGPT with creating a well-structured spreadsheet that contains the main points and detailed descriptions of the affiliate products. Each point within the spreadsheet will serve as the foundation for individual Pinterest pins. By organizing your information in this manner, you'll ensure clarity and coherence in your marketing efforts, ultimately leading to a more effective promotional strategy. Before we move on to step 6, have you already hit that subscribe button? Go ahead and click the subscribe button below. Step number 6. Crafting attention-grabbing pin titles. The success of your affiliate marketing campaign on platforms like Pinterest often hinges on the appeal of your pin titles. Instruct ChatGPT to generate compelling and enticing titles for each of your points. These titles should not only capture the essence of the product, but also encourage users to click through and learn more. Consider incorporating emojis in your titles to infuse an extra layer of engagement. With ChatGPT's assistance, you can craft pin titles that pique curiosity and drive traffic to your affiliate links. Affiliate link and Pinterest pin creation. It's time to create your Pinterest pins and add your affiliate links. Step number 7. Centralize links with Linktree. Now that you've harnessed the power of ChatGPT to curate engaging content, it's time to streamline your affiliate links. Utilize Linktree, a versatile platform that allows you to organize multiple affiliate links efficiently. It's Pinterest-friendly and simplifies the process of promoting various products from different affiliate programs in one unified location. Step number 8. Customize your Linktree profile. With Linktree at your disposal, tailor your profile to your affiliate marketing needs. Add affiliate products you intend to promote, creating a centralized hub for your audience to explore. This customization enhances the user experience and ensures that your affiliate links are easily accessible. Step number 9. Secure your Linktree URL. Copy the URL of your Linktree profile, which will serve as a destination link for your Pinterest pins. This link is instrumental in tracking clicks and monitoring conversions, providing essential insights into the effectiveness of your affiliate marketing efforts. Step number 10. Design stunning Pinterest pins. To captivate your Pinterest audience, employ the graphic design prowess of Canva. Create visually appealing pins that are not only eye-catching but also user-friendly. Select templates that feature large, readable fonts and engaging designs, ensuring that your content stands out amid the Pinterest visual landscape. Step number 11. Incorporate titles and descriptions. Integrate the pin titles and descriptions generated by ChatGPT into your pin designs. It's essential to maintain consistency between your content and the visuals. These titles and descriptions should perfectly align with the visual elements of your pins, providing a cohesive and engaging experience for your audience. Step number 12. Include the destination URL. For effective tracking and conversion monitoring, paste your Linktree URL as a destination link for your pins. This ensures that you can measure the impact of your affiliate marketing strategy accurately. Step number 13. Share your pins. With your well-crafted pins in hand, publish them on Pinterest. Select the relevant words to reach your target audience effectively and establish a posting schedule for consistent and strategic pin sharing. This step is vital for maximizing the reach and impact of your affiliate marketing campaign on Pinterest. Optimization and promotion. Now, let's optimize and promote your affiliate pins. Step number 14. Elevate your Pinterest profile. To optimize your Pinterest presence, incorporate your Linktree URL as the primary link in your Pinterest profile. This strategic placement directs users to explore your affiliate products efficiently, enhancing the visibility and accessibility of your offerings. Step number 15. Pinnacle of consistency. Achieving Pinterest success relies on maintaining a consistent pinning schedule. Aim to share 3 to 5 pins daily, distributing your content strategically over time. This regularity ensures a steady influx of views and clicks, gradually building your presence and impact. Step number 16. Track your triumphs. Harness the power of data by diligently tracking the results of your affiliate marketing efforts. Employ Pinterest analytics and Linktree statistics to monitor pin performance, gauge clicks, and measure conversions. This data-driven approach allows you to make informed decisions and optimize your strategy for maximum impact. Step number 17. Engage and expand. Engagement within the Pinterest community is pivotal. Interact with fellow pinners by commenting, liking, and sharing content relevant to your niche. These actions not only establish your presence but also foster growth by attracting like-minded individuals to your profile. Engaging with the community is a vital component of expanding your reach and impact on Pinterest. Congratulations! You've learned how to make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing using ChatGPT. Consistency and patience are key to success in this strategy. Once again, this is Ash Cash Tash. Thank you for joining us today on your financial journey. If you found this information valuable, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a financial update. Until next time, see you later.